Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to find device ID in laptop. Now in order to find device ID in laptop, the process is very simple and easy. It'll only take a couple of minutes. Now before we get started, make sure to watch the video till the end. So firstly, on the home page, tap on the start icon, which is right at the bottom in the lower left corner. So once you tap on the start icon, right in center you can see a pop-up window. So next what you'll have to do is you have to tap on the settings option, or you can even type in the name and then search the settings option. So as soon as you tap on the settings, on the other page you will land inside system. Now on this following page, all you have to do is scroll down right to the bottom, and right in the bottom you can see about, tap on it. So as you tap on about, on the other page you'll have the info about your personal information or the device settings. Now these are all the information about the system or the device. Now that is how you can find device ID in laptop. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.